how you doing? I'm gonna show you how to do an easy evening makeup. I hope you like it. I'm going to mix 3 tones of foundation to get the color that fits my needs. I prefer to apply the foundation with a sponge, then smearing it with a brush. For the neck and chest area, I also added glitter body lotion. You can use brush for this step to do it faster. I use lighter concealer to make specific areas of my face to pop up. The most important thing to look genuine is to blend it good. So there we go! My canvas is ready and we can start painting. First, I will put the highlighter on a wider area. Then put the powder on top of it to mute it, so it works as a background for the more concentrated highlighter that I will apply afterwards. I will try to transform my nose to look slimmer. Especially try not to leave sharp and visible lines when you're doing the contouring. I put more powder under my eyes as a layer of protection against stuff that can fall on it. For my eyebrows, I'm always using a highly pigmented matte eyeshadows. I don't want to make them thicker or bigger, but I will make them a bit longer. I outline my eyebrow with the concealer and blend the product down to my eyelid. Continue filling the eyelid with the eyeshadow base using tapping motions. Now I'm applying my favorite beige tone that will help the transition of the colors. Starting from the outer corner towards the eyelid crease and a bit further up. I'm doing this to lift up my bone. After that, I'm using grayish brown color to amplify the lifting effect. I will underlay beneath the eye with the same tones smoothly. For this look, I decided to use less colors to make it clean and classy. Because if I use a lot of colors, it will probably end up too childish or funny. For the center of my eye, I'm using a shimmer eyeshadow, which is not too different from the other colors. I'm gonna use white highlighter because I'm expecting to be under white studio light. When I finish with the shadows, I can now clean all the powder under my eyes. And now, the biggest magic of them all, the master trick. Lashes. Lips. Thank you for watching. I hope you find it enjoyable and useful. If you like it, subscribe, like, share and comment because this helps me a lot and I'll be very grateful.